Good morning, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men Business Networking Support. Today I want to talk to you about those business cards and connecting your online and offline marketing, because networking is an investment. It's not just about the money, it's about your time. But what do you do after you've met somebody at a networking event? Do you put all those business cards in a shoebox or something under the bed, never to be seen again? But really what I do, this is just what I do, it's just an idea. I always write on the business card where I have met somebody, the date, and often I put little notes on there to remind me of who they were, whether yellow dress with pink spots or something, or really good contact for another person. So little reminders of what they do. I know it says, or should say on the business card, what they do, but sometimes they don't, and it's a bit difficult to work out. But little reminder notes. And then when I've got home, before I forget everybody, because often at our groups we have quite a lot of people to remember, I will connect with those people. So on their business card, they will have their Twitter, they'll have their LinkedIn, hopefully, and their Facebook. So after the event, I always pop along to their sites and their website and say, hi, it was really great to meet you this morning. Really interesting to speak to you, or whatever it was you had in common or you connected with, and just say, I really liked your talk, or something nice, or, let's meet for a coffee sometime soon, or if I can ever help you, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Don't send them, for goodness sake, don't send them an email which is, hi, it was great to meet you today, and then a page of A4 rabbiting on about your business, because we know what they're going to do with that one. So make friends after the event, make friends, contact them, connect with them offline, so that when you see them again, you can carry on with that relationship. And don't forget, it's all about connecting, sharing, supporting and succeeding with each other. That's all for today. Have a great week. Speak soon. Bye for now.